Practicing frugality cultivates a sense of humility, enabling individuals to avoid extravagant purchases and the allure of status symbols. This emphasis on prioritizing long-term growth over immediate gratification is essential for achieving financial success. Furthermore, monitoring expenditures and developing budgets centered on essential needs are pivotal strategies for enhancing spending efficiency and minimizing debt. These practices foster mindful consumption habits while empowering individuals to make informed investment choices. Transitioning to a wealth accumulation mindset, which is often characteristic of affluent individuals, proves imperative. This perspective encourages long-term thinking and strategic financial decision-making that aligns with successful wealth building. Notably, many wealthy individuals concentrate on obtaining exceptional value from their purchases instead of seeking self-affirmation through spending. This pragmatic approach ultimately facilitates more effective accumulation of wealth. Moreover, the elimination of unfavorable debt stands as a cornerstone of financial success. High-cost debts, such as credit card liabilities, can severely impede wealth accumulation if not managed judiciously. In contrast, affluent individuals tend to wield credit cards with discretion, leveraging rewards while upholding responsible spending habits. This strategic method not only aids in accumulating beneficial rewards but also enhances their overall financial management. Additionally, beneficial debt, exemplified by affordable financing for real estate, can significantly bolster one's financial portfolio and provide lasting stability. Investments in valuable assets like real estate can ultimately contribute to increased overall wealth. It is crucial to note that good debt should strictly be reserved for the acquisition of valuable assets rather than for superfluous expenses. The prudent management of debt can yield substantial financial advantages over time. Establishing a disciplined savings routine emerges as a critical factor in wealth growth. This practice enables individuals to secure financial stability irrespective of their income level. Long-term investments, particularly those linked to the S&P 500 index, historically demonstrate an average annual return of approximately 10%. Such strategies facilitate significant growth over extended periods, reinforcing the importance of patience in investment. In addition, creating an emergency fund is vital for financial security during unforeseen circumstances. This safety net allows long-term investments to remain uninterrupted in their growth trajectory. Engaging in consistent investment strategies, such as dollar-cost averaging, serves to mitigate risks associated with market volatility. By making regular contributions to investments, individuals ensure a steady growth pattern for their financial portfolio. Moreover, consulting with a knowledgeable professional can prove invaluable in steering clear of common pitfalls during market downturns, thus safeguarding one's wealth-building endeavors. Remaining invested emerges as a fundamental tenet for long-term financial success. Having an expert alongside enhances informed planning decisions while securing the protection of valuable assets for future generations. This proactive approach is essential for effective legacy building. Lastly, the video elaborates on passive income strategies that can bolster earnings, providing additional financial security and pathways for wealth accumulation. The importance of diversifying income sources cannot be overstated when striving for sustained financial growth.